Hydraulic cycle is the natural renewal of water quality as it collects, purifies, and distributes Earth's water.
It's powered by energy from the sun and involves three major processes: evaporation, precipitation, and transpiration.
The sun causes evaporation, or the change of liquid water into water vapor from the Earth's oceans, lakes, rivers, and soil.
Once enough water vapor is collected, they will combine, forming clouds in a process called condensation.
Gravity will eventually draw the water back to the Earth's surface as precipitation, or rain, snow, sleet, or dew.
About 90% of water in the atmosphere evaporates from the surface of plants and from the soil in transpiration.
When water returns to Earth's surface, it can take various paths. Most precipitation becomes surface runoff.
This precipitation falls onto the Earth where it flows into streams and is carried back to lakes and oceans and is eventually evaporated to repeat the cycle.
Some of this precipitation also seeps into the upper layers of the soil, where it is used by plants, and some is evaporated from the soil and put back into the atmosphere.
Some precipitation is converted to ice that is stored in glaciers, typically for long periods of time.
Precipitation can also sink through the soil to underground layers of rock, sand, and gravel called aquifers, where it is stored as groundwater.
Water ends up in living components, such as producers, as they absorb water through their roots. Most of this water evaporates from the plant's leaves back into the atmosphere by transpiration, but some water is needed in photosynthesis to combine with carbon dioxide in order to produce carbs. When the carbs are broken down in the plants, water is then released back into the environment.
Consumers get their water by either food or by drinking it. Water dissolves many nutrient compounds and transports them within an ecosystem. Water also flows over and wears down rock over millions of years.
Even though the Earth is covered with water, only about 0.024% is available to humans and other species in forms of fresh water from groundwater, lakes, rivers, and streams. The rest is either too salty to use, stored as ice, or too deep underground to extract.